DCN Army, welcome to August. We're going to share with you the latest updates in the crypto market. Thank you all for tuning in to Daily Crypto Network, the only channel that keeps you updated every week and every single day in the Telegram, by the way, but every week on YouTube related to everything, what is happening in the crypto market. If you enjoy our content, of course, we recommend for you to like, share, and subscribe. Of course, you have to take into consideration that this is not financial advice. Any decision you take outside this video is solely your responsibility. So with all that being said, we're going to go through a couple of articles regarding a couple of subcategories in the Web3 spectrum. So let's go ahead and begin with the first article. Right, so here we are with the first article that we decided to share with you guys in this past week. So Mark Zuckerberg is unfazed. He's not going to change what he's doing. Meta is here to stay, guys. It is surreal. It is happening. And so regardless of only 3 months, the metaverse division has lost $2.8 billion. And that is a huge amount, but it doesn't matter because they are continuously involving billions of dollars in this industry, this emerging market. Augmented reality, virtual reality, metaverse, Web3, all of these terms sound so unknown to us. So yeah, they're reporting 2.9 billion in losses. It's a huge amount. And this metaverse sector continues to grow. The United States Federal Trade Commission has filed a lawsuit against Meta, however, and they're going through a lot of speed bumps. So it's just an example of the speed bumps that are coming along with this emerging market, and this is why we decided to share with you this article. And for these reasons, we're just going to move forward to the next article. And by the way, every single article that we go through in today's video will be down below for you to evaluate even further if you'd like to do so. So here we decided to report a survey that was conducted by one of the biggest audit firms, Deloitte. So they've reported that 75% of retailers plan to accept cryptocurrency payments within the next 2 years, so by 2025. That is an insane prediction, and 75% is a huge amount in very little time. So this is going to blow up, and this is just a survey that's been basically polled to 2,000 senior executives from the retail industry, and that includes sectors such as the cosmetics industry, electronics industry, fashion, transportation, food and beverage, a lot of consumable goods. You know, everything that us consumers, we as humans use and consume. This is the industries that they're getting involved with, and where we seen recently in the past just how Apple Pay, Google Pay, and all of these new ways of paying for your Starbucks coffee or whatever it is, it's literally like getting so easy. And so those adoptions that we saw in the early 2010s, now we're seeing something that will be adopted in the future, and it appears that it will be cryptocurrency. So this article is just really interesting to go through. Obviously, not only just cryptocurrencies, but also stable coins. So coins just like USDC that are, practically like pegged onto the US dollars or fiat currencies, or commodities such as gold, anything that actually holds value. That is basically what it's pegged to. So we have stable coins. The examples would be USDC, USDT from Tether, and also BUSD, that is from Binance. Those are just examples of stable coins. However, we have another statistic that we'd like to get into in today's video. It basically says that 90% of those who were cited have also recognized a complexity of their current existing financial infrastructure. So the compatibility to input digital payments is very complicated for these big entities to do so. However, they are looking to implement it at a scale where small businesses can do it as well and enable payments. But this is also all just very much in the scope of what's going on, because we're still in a moment where cryptocurrencies have not yet been regulated by many countries. And for these reasons, all of this will happen in the next few years. And that's why we encourage you guys to be a part of Daily Crypto Network, because here we will keep you updated. And in 2 years' time, we're going to speak about this exact moment and see how and if we're using these coins to the way it appears that it will look like. But yeah, we're here for the long run, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Deloitte has titled this survey merchants getting ready for crypto. It's exciting. A lot of integrations are happening. So basically, cryptocurrency payments can be integrated in a lot of systems, a lot of payment systems. We have a lot of payment processing platforms that exist, such as BitPay, Coinbase Pay, Circle. A lot of these companies exist where you can actually accept getting paid in Bitcoin, etc. So that is also actually very interesting for the future of the sector. Obviously, a lot is being invested into it, so we will keep you updated every single day in our Telegram with what's happening in the crypto market. Let's go ahead and move forward to the next article. Crypto exchange Huobi Global has now been given the approval to operate in Australia. That is exciting. So new users will be able to enter the market using the Huobi crypto exchange. They will be able to offer crypto products and crypto services. Their regular standard crypto exchange. If you have Huobi, you will know what it looks like. But it is practically the same dashboard as every other crypto exchange on your mobile phone. So Huobi Global is expanding its operations to Australia. They've received a successful registration with the Australian Transaction Reports and Analysis Center. So exciting news, and they decided to share it with their community as well on Twitter, of course. They've also gotten the approval to operate in New Zealand as well. So people will have the option to basically buy and sell cryptocurrencies in New Zealand and Australia. So they're going to comply with Australian law. It is exciting, and this is more steps towards adoption. Let's move on to the next article. That was just a quick one to share with you guys about what's happening in the market. These operations and these little, expansions are done for specific reasons. They're allocating this amount of money for a return, and it's exciting to watch it all unfold with Daily Crypto Network. So here we decided to talk a bit more about institutional investors that have now gotten more and more exposure to the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum is very interesting, and Ethereum goes a long way. It is an insane blockchain and opens us to decentralized applications and smart contracts. It is incredible here. And so what we do see is that they now have opportunity for institutional investors to launch Ethereum stacking. So now they can basically take their Ethereum that they own and put it into staking. So they use proof of stake. This is actually what's been going on with Ethereum. So Ethereum originally is a proof of work mechanism, and
actually, just check this out right here. Let's go onto this website and show you right away.
So stakingrewards.com. Here you can see that the top 10 crypto assets by staking market cap, Ethereum is at the top with 21 billion being staked. It is a huge amount at this current price. And overall, Ethereum is actually getting very close to their proof of stake transition. It's supposed to occur this year in 2022, and they're at 84.52% of getting ready for that merge to happen. It's super exciting news. And actually, regardless of the price of Ethereum, the staked amount has always increased. The total staked amount of Ethereum in their pools, in just being staked, literally has been growing and growing and growing. So this total amount is calculated by all of the platforms, of course. Coinbase Prime, a new feature provided by the #1 US crypto exchange. They offer this to institutional investors, so now they can receive a nice little reward every single week, every single day by staking their Ethereum that they hold. So this is decentralized finance, and here you can stake. It actually means where you're using your Ethereum to validate transactions, and in that case, for the gas fees, you receive a bonus, and that is the rewards that you receive back into your wallet. For those who have actually already staked their Ethereum in Ethereum 2.0, well, on the other note, you will not be able to withdraw those Ethereum until the merge actually happens. So when you stake this amount, it must remain staked until this merge occurs. So for these institutional investors, they're looking for a long-term investment, and that's what's quite exciting and why we decided to share with you this article. And for the last article of today's video, it will concern payments, the retail industry again. So ApeCoin, which is a cryptocurrency created by Bored Ape Yacht Club, they are going to be accepted by the Italian fashion house Gucci. As you can see, the fashion industry is like very much involved with everything NFT, metaverse, and Web3 based. They are super involved, from Philippe Plein to Off-White, that already accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well for payment. There's just been so much going on. Dolce & Gabbana, as you can see here. We definitely recommend for you to have a look at this article down below. It's just insane what's been going on in the crypto space, even though prices have been just dropping. So we can have a look here of price. We can see that just like Gucci is basically trying to receive ApeCoin so they can hold a little bag on ApeCoin. And basically, on the other hand, regardless of price, a lot of things are happening. A lot of things are moving. And this is why we encourage all of you guys to join DCN Army. Make sure you subscribe down below to our YouTube channel. We will be back Wednesday with another video. Make sure you tune into our Telegram as well. Every single day, you will receive an article about what is happening, everything Web3 based. Guys, we appreciate you so much for tuning into today's video. See you in next week's video. Ciao, ciao.